So everyone's looking for a way to find a remote job to start making money online. And most people will start by searching where to find a remote job, which is a big mistake because you want to start by looking for skills that can help you land a remote job. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 high-paying income skills for you to land a remote job. I'm also going to cover where you can learn about these skills without going to college, without wasting more time or money, and where you can get certifications so you can start making money online. So let's start with the first one, which is cybersecurity analyst. With this job, you're responsible for monitoring and protecting companies' computer network and system from theft, hackers, and unauthorized access. Cybersecurity analysts also analyze and recover data, investigate breaches, and determine the root causes. It is a rapidly growing field with the increasing number of cybersecurity threats, which is why also you see it's becoming more common to use VPN to protect your network and also your device. Companies of all sizes are investing heavily to protect their network, their data, and system, which makes cybersecurity analysts a high-demand job. Now I know cybersecurity analyst sounds like a heavy job and something that you might need a degree for. And to become a cybersecurity analyst, you do need to get certified. But the good news is you don't have to go to college for this. One popular certification is CEH, or Certified Ethical Hacker. Now this certification can cost $1,000 depending on the training that you choose. And typically it takes 4 to 6 weeks to complete, which is a lot better than spending multiple thousands of dollars and also 4 years in college. It is a very detailed course and you'll be certified once you complete the course. Now you might be wondering if you're a fit for these skills. So if you enjoy solving complex problems and have a keen eye for details, this role might be perfect for you. The second one is data analyst. The primary role of data analyst is to interpret and analyze data to help businesses make informed decisions. So your job responsibilities will be gathering data from various sources. This can include database, spreadsheet, and some online applications. As a data analyst, you use statistical technique and software tools to analyze data and identify trends, patterns, and correlations. So this is suitable for someone who liked working with numbers, or if you like to gather insight from data to solve business problems. So from data analyst to the rest of the high-paying skills that I'm going to mention in this video, you can learn it from one online course that offer free introduction course. They have live and recorded training, plus they also help with your resume and your placement. So stick to the end of this video to find out about the course. Next one, we have digital marketing. If you have watched my video before, you know that I'm a huge fan of digital marketing. This is also the skill that I choose and still actively do until today. As the digital marketer, you plan and execute marketing campaigns for companies. This role is in high demand because a lot of companies need a stronger digital presence. We have shifted from traditional marketing campaign on billboard or TV commercials to social media like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. And you might already have some of the skills to become a digital marketer. Maybe you have an experience with search engine optimization or SEO. Maybe you've managed a Facebook account or an Instagram account for a family member or small businesses. Digital marketing can open a lot of career opportunities. You can also use these skills to land some freelance job or to start your own business. So who is it suitable for? If you're a creative, if you love social media and enjoy planning and executing campaign, digital marketing can be a good fit for you. Next one on the list is technology sales. It is a job that will let you earn more than your average salary because with this job, you also get to earn commissions. As a tech sales representative, you'll sell software, hardware, or any IT services. So your responsibilities will be to find and identify a potential customer. You might need to conduct presentation and demonstration to showcase the benefits of the products that you're selling. When I was in Bali, I met some digital nomad who are working as tech seller representatives and they really love the jobs because it gives you the flexibility, and if you have any sales background, this will come naturally to you. So this is suitable for you who have excellent communication skills and can effectively persuade others. Or if you're passionate about technology and enjoy staying up to date with the latest trend and also gadget. Being a goal-oriented individual is also very important with this role because you will have target to close deals and earn commissions. The last one is software development. Software developers design, develop, and test the new software applications and systems. So your job responsibility will be to create an architecture and design a new software application and features. And yes, you need to learn coding with this because you have to write, test, and debug code to ensure that the software functions are intended. So this is suitable for people who enjoy solving complex problems. If you know coding or if you're interested about learning how to code, if you enjoy designing and building an application features, while a degree in computer science can be beneficial, a lot of software developers learn their skills from coding bootcamp and also taking an online courses. All of the high-paying skills that I mentioned above can be found in an online course called Course Careers. This online course offers all of the best skills that people who want to start working remotely can look into. It offers a free introduction course with advanced training available for $500. So with this, it includes live and recorded training that help you with your CV and also job placement assistance. I tried their digital marketing course and it helps a lot when I first started with my digital marketing journey. When I first started, I had no marketing background because my degree was in medicine, so it's completely different. But I got to implement these skills that helped me land a remote job only few months after I left medicine. I think one of the best part is you get help with your CV, and they also help you prepare for your interview, and you'll get to learn in the most effective way without wasting your time. I know learning a new skills and starting in a new career field can be daunting sometimes, but with all of this online course, it makes it possible and also very accessible. If you want to check out Course Careers, I'll leave the link in the description box below where you can check out their free introduction course, and if you use my link, you got $50 off from your course purchase. So that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below which skills that you resonate the most with, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!